Respect your wife. She left her home, she left her parents, she left her comfort just to build a life with you. She chose you over everything she ever knew. She trusted your name, your hands, your heart. So be gentle with her. Speak softly. Protect her. Stand by her the way you want Allah to stand by you. A wife is not just a partner. She is an amana from Allah. And the man who honors his wife, Allah honors him in return.